Hello. Yeah. So very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube live session. Today's evening on Monday. So myself Bala here and from Talent Traders at my YouTube channel. And if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates and in positional trading strategies. Mainly we are doing with advanced option strategy by using our Google Sheet positional basis. And good evening. So anyone who are joined this live session, to all, can you please let me know my voice and video clear? So if you can able to get my video and audio clearly, can you please let me know? And let me check this. Okay. So anyone on this live, please let me know my voice is clear. So on this live session, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet, and you have some doubts and questions. So based on that, we are going to discuss about this one, that one, and any more questions or doubts also we are going to discuss in this video. And regarding this live session is for my advanced option strategy, that how we can effectively doing that strategy, and that I'm going to discuss in this live session now. So can you please anyone let me know my voice and video clear maybe next 30-40 minutes. So we are going to discuss about this particular live session. And if any doubts and questions also, you can ask me. And if you are already my student who attend my classes, so you can also ask your doubts and questions on this live session. I'm doing this and for my strategy. Okay. So if you are new, please let me know my voice and video clear. And if my voice is clear, can you please ping me here in the chat box? Okay. So based on the advanced option strategy, which we are going to plan for it, advanced option strategy, how we are going to effectively do that in intraday as well as positional basis, that I'm discussing you in this session. A lot of opportunities for this month, June contract, which is started and 5 days ago. So we have started our positional trading strategies in M&M, Apollo Hospital, Tata Communication, PFC, and HAL today, India Cements 2 days. I think India Cements is gap up. RBL 2 days holding, and today it's given you such a good result. And Aero Motor Cup and Polycap and Axis Bank. Axis Bank, I think it is triggered on positional basis today, and maybe the chances we are going to get some opportunity in Axis Bank in near term. So I don't know how many of them joined on this session right now. And if you are joined here, can you please let me know? My voice and video clear? So using my Google Sheet, I'm just finding out the trades and okay, no problem. So how many of them are connected? I don't know. Whether you are looking for that advanced option strategy, then this video is for you. And please helping me here. I'm not able to track the real time if you are watching this video or not. So, but I need to get some confirmations from the chat box to get cleared about voice and video. Okay. So today opportunities that we find out M&M, and that should be opportunity 132057, and that one which given you such a big opportunity over and above 58. That is what option M&M 1320. That is what a monthly opportunity. Those who are tracking that one and a 15 minutes time frame, I can show you that how this option is going giving you such a good opportunity. Here is my buy entry point and M&M. The buy opportunity is around breakout or advanced entry. So that is exactly, it should be an advanced entry. Entry point we are looking for around 58. That is exactly 57.90. I'm looking for that got triggered in the first 15 minutes candle. If it is triggered, I'm not going to take an entry. And in the second two candles, it was triggered and it was nearing to that my entry, and I'm waiting for that complete the exact looking for that option. From there, it went up to somewhere around almost 88 nearby. So look at this where it is moved almost 87.9. So I just tried around 60 and 90, near about 90. So almost my target can get achieved in this particular stock option. Working better, and today's trade opportunity which I find out. So from that it zooms towards to more than 50% on intraday. So that is what an advanced option strategy which we are following based on this Google sheet, and this trade which I find out on my real time. So here M&M Finance, sorry, M&M is about 1320 call option, which I am finding around 57.9, and 83 is the final closing, and 88 it made almost 143, and that means it is from our entry point, it was moving more than somewhere around 43 percentage higher from my entry point today. Think no one joined, getting used, the live is running, getting any message. The session at this moment, please ping me on the chat box. To the mesh. Yeah, please let me know my voice clear. Maybe it should be a one-to-one session, right? I think no one has commented or no one has joined at the in this session. Everything is perfect. Thank you for your update. And this session is mainly I'm just planned for like the advanced option strategy. Based on that, we are following some strategies and 5 different strategies. From there, how many trades which we find out on our intraday basis, and also positional. But whatever the entry which we have taken, so we are taken by the positional, and now we find some opportunities and M&M Finance today and Apollo Hospital. Those who are watched today around 275, 4650. I think yeah, Apollo 4650. I think it is a today's entry. Yeah, perfect. It triggers around 11:15 after my live session ends, and it is giving you such an opportunity on 275, and it went up to maximum towards 400. Many of them who are watching this trade from this point, we are marking the level in the morning. So it jumps over to now almost 44 percentage. That's a huge benefit where I find out today's opportunity. Uh, how do how do I get the scanner? The scanner is works based on the scanner is works based on our advanced option strategy, first of all. But if you want to take naked the scanner, I charging for that one a monthly is around 1200 or 1200 rupees. And if you wish, you can directly get this sheet and you can access for the next 1 month. But here the sheet will not providing you any tips. Okay, so it is about the entry finder. So where I am using for my advanced option strategy. So based on that strategy, here I simply finding out entry, and based on that entry, I can plan for any of this edging strategies. Totally 5 different strategies I'm just doing with, and a naked strategy and 4 edging strategies. So according to your funds and risk ability, you can focus and any. So daily I'm doing this live win rate is depending on the strategy which you are selected, A naked strategy is maybe around 70 to 80% accuracy you can focus if you are following a naked strategy. And other strategies is maybe hedging strategies. So the risk factor, maybe even the market is going against to you, so you are reducing the risk and increasing the profit. That kind of hedging strategies. Maybe if market moving against to you, that scenario also there is a chances for making profit. So that's why in the hedging strategies we cannot give you the accuracy. But if you are following the naked strategy, and you may be going to get somewhere around 70 to 80% accuracy. But if you are following intraday, so you can manage even more accuracy by only the fresh breakout entries. If you follow, so that should be a good opportunity. Like today's the fresh opportunity which we find out, M&M, Apollo Hospital, Tata Communications, and the Tata Communication given you 62 and it went up to 79. Okay, so Tata Communication is not a today's entry. I think Tata Chemical, yeah, Tata Chemical, it's given you 53 and it went up to 60 plus, and then returned back. As a positional, if you are holding, as an intraday trader, you may be going to get. If you want to take, I will buy the course today itself if you show me your last month P&L. So one thing I will tell you, I'm not doing any trades because I am a franchisee holder. I'm a franchisee with broking. So I have a more than 55 clients who are traded. I'm supporting my traders. If I'm doing my own trade, I can't able to give you any support because I'm a franchisee holding with the leading broker. Okay. So if I'm doing my own trade, that time I cannot give you any support to my students and also any support to my others. That time I will sure I will update you the profit screenshot, whatever the thing. If you are available, kindly subscribe the channel and follow with me. So even sometimes later I'm going to planning to start my own trading. After one trading, I'm not able to giving you the support to any other. Hope you understood. Okay, the strategy and tool which is developed, that was giving you such opportunity, right? And even the anyone who are given you the P&L statement, you cannot copy it, right? First of all, they know what is the risk and what their capital they use. So if anyone was showing a public P&L in YouTube or anywhere, so can you copy that rates? If you are possible, then you can go for search somewhere else, and a lot of people who are showing their own profits, and you can follow and you can same like you can go with them. Okay, if anyone do such others like others, if you want to guys who are showing a P&L, I can suggest you some people. You can go and using watching the others P&L, you cannot made the same. First, you should understand what is your riskability and what is your rewardability. As of now, I am supporting my students and I am not doing any trades. Even I have a lot of trading accounts in no accounts which I have a capital. Okay, I hope you understood what I'm suggesting. But the clarity is about the strategy is working or not. We are doing in a live market. We are finding today's live session. So we are not. Do you want to the proof? Okay, I'll show you with my video, today's live video. And if you want to, but I will get a clarity about the strategy is working or not. So I was doing my live trading today. Okay. So after market, after moving the stocks, and I'm not going to show you this much of a thing which is happening or that much of thing is happening. Okay, I will show you one of my channel which I'm doing a live session, and I can share you that live today's live session 5-6 Bank Nifty in the first 1.5 hours we are doing. I was muting that sounds, and look at this video here. We started around 9:10. I moved it. So these are all the three options pre-market I have added. So as per this level, I'm just suggesting you to Bank Nifty to buy over 505 to get some benefit of something like 50 to 30, 40 points is my initial target. So that is what the level which I marked. That is what a 505. It's not about post-market report. I just taken up a pre-market, sorry, live market, and 504 is my entry point. After that, we are based on our Google sheet, we are finding opportunities, and I mark that is what a breakout. Okay, so I will show you and India Cements, which I am tracking for, but it was not a great opportunity. And if you want to do the link for this video, I can share you that was a live session in the morning. Yeah, look at this Bank Nifty 505 I took, currently trading 540. Hope you understand. Here you can see in this morning we don't find out any opportunities. Even these are all the pre-market selection of Apollo Hospital, Hero Motocorp and Maruti that we have focused for, and I will show you any opportunities. Look at this Tata Chemical, currently trading around 46, right? It's trading somewhere around 46. We are not taken any entry in Tata Chemical. We have added, and I will mark you the M&M 1350 call option, and that should be currently trading around 35. I have added, and how I'm just focusing that options. This is what a 1 hour video, more than 1.5 hours. So just I'm skipping it. So these are all the Tata Chemical. I mark the level 950 call option around 52 rupees. That is what my breakout entry. And RBL Bank 12.7 is my breakout entry. And also I finding some opportunities if you want to more detail. And Bank Nifty currently 550, which I have taken this today. Bank Nifty from 505, 545, 50 points near about it given me the entry. And then what are the trades which I marked? Maruti, which I am marking 208 as my breakout, currently trading 230. And RBL Bank 12.7 I am focusing for, but it come down to 11.4. And Maruti is given you 50 points, and some other trades which we marked. Tata Chemical 61, 52 I marked it. Right now it is trading 51. And what was the HDFC Bank? Someone was asking about doubts on HDFC Bank. That's why we are discussing about HDFC. And M&M 66, that one I given you the breakout around 57, and finally it's 66. Maybe it's given you the profit. At the same time, Bank Nifty 532, RBL Bank is 11.4, and I just marked RBL as 12.7. It's not decided today. And Axis Bank 33 is my breakout entry which I'm waiting for. But after my live session, which is triggers, and BEL 114 call option, my buy entry is 5.4, which I added somewhere around the 10, 15 level. So these are all the trades which we find out, the same trades which is available here in this watch list. First one is Apollo Hospital. I marked 156. It's not given you the trade. And second Hero Motor also not given. Maruti, which my marked as 208, and it went up to 276 and finally closed by. In Bank Nifty, these two strike price only focused from that point, and it maximum moves to 566, almost 60 points. Then it goes down, maybe a 50, 60 points. It's good enough on intraday or even positional basis. Okay, so and then Tata Chemical, we marked the level of 52 and it went up to 66, and M&M 58 and it went up to 87. RBL Bank from 12.7 it went up to 15 plus and then returned back to 13.4, still is a profit. India Cements, I marked the level for 15.4, not given you the opportunity. And one more thing, Axis Bank 33, it triggers and went to 33.95 and closed it. This is a position trade. I'm just going to wait for. And BEL, which is triggers around 5.4, it went up to 6.35, almost 1 rupee. Lot size is big. And Maruti, which I'm waiting for 351, not triggered it. So maybe from this sheet only I just find out M&M, Apollo Hospital, Tata Communications, PFC. It's not a today's trade, it was a previous day trade. Okay, so if you want the live session, you can just subscribe that channel too. I can share you the link for this video. And thank you for watching this. Okay, I think today live session is not more people are joined, only you. But thank you for engaging with me. So whatever the doubts or questions you have, you just connect me, no problem at all. So this is what an engaging session. So whether you are going to get some idea about this strategies and things. Thank you. So you can go through it. Not only today's trade, and daily we are doing the live session on this channel. And if you wish, and you can subscribe the channel and you follow me daily. Tomorrow's live session also be there. I hope you enjoyed. So I thought I made mistakes on the live stream. So that's why it's not working better. Okay. So I can disconnect this live session and I will join on the newer one. Thank you for watching.